Every masterpiece begins with a single idea. But in today's world, ideas are no longer shaped by human hands alone. They are transformed by machines that think in numbers, move with absolute precision, and never make a mistake. This is CNC technology. Every cut, every curve, every microscopic detail is calculated with incredible accuracy, turning raw metal and wood into engineering masterpieces. Inside these machines, digital designs become reality through millions of perfectly controlled movements, creating components that power cars, aircraft, medical equipment, and the technology we depend on every day. What once required hours of skilled manual labor can now be completed in minutes, with unmatched speed, consistency, and precision. This is more than manufacturing. It is the fusion of engineering, automation, and innovation. This is the technology shaping the factories of today and building the future of tomorrow.